Alright guys, so we're here back again at the next to the YMCA. We got a southbound Norfolk Southern, and the next one should be the ENS train with the Heritage unit. It is going to be Southern. It should be the next one. So yeah, here he comes. Hold my finger again. So here he comes. Southbound Norfolk Southern. So you got
8.7, no defects.
yep, and there's it. Guys, you're watching Rail on YouTube. We're here in Hahria, Georgia, and here comes a northbound NS train. It looks like a manifest. So yeah, here he comes. That was a freight train, so yeah. Soon there'll be intermodal train. Alright guys, so we're here at Hahria, and this is the Hahria Depot. We were here to catch a southbound NS train. It came through Cordell, and we saw it on the virtual Railfanning camera, and it was around like 3 p.m. So we're here, it's around like 4 p.m. As you just saw right there was a northbound Norfolk Southern train. He's probably going either to Macon or Atlanta or Chattanooga. So yeah. Also, if you're watching this video, please like the video, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. So yeah, hit that subscribe button. Alright, so we're still in Hahria, and behind me is an old Southern caboose that they used to, this one used to go behind the trains before they had those little end things. So yeah. Alright, so this train right here we're in Adel, and this is probably like the train that runs like the local. We do not know where the intermodal train is, so yeah.